We often think of minimalism as a purely aesthetic choice, a design trend defined by stark white walls, empty countertops, and an abundance of negative space. We associate it with architectural magazines or luxury apartments that look like no one actually lives in them. But for the average homeowner, the true value of a minimalist kitchen isn't just about how it looks, it is about how it functions. The kitchen is the workhorse of the home. It is a high-traffic zone subject to heat, steam, grease, crumbs, and spills. In a standard, cluttered kitchen, these elements combine to create a constant cleaning burden. In a minimalist kitchen, however, the design itself does the heavy lifting. By stripping away the non-essential, you aren't just creating a look. You are engineering a space that is significantly easier to clean, maintain, and enjoy. Here is why adopting a minimalist approach is the ultimate hack for a cleaner, lower-maintenance life. 1. The physics of cleaning, reducing friction. The most obvious benefit of a minimalist kitchen is the reduction of physical obstacles. Cleaning is, at its core, a friction-based activity. The more friction, obstacles, you encounter, the harder the task becomes, and the less likely you are to do it thoroughly. The lift and wipe. Problem: consider the average non-minimalist countertop. It likely hosts a toaster, a blender, a knife block, a jar of utensils, a stack of mail, a fruit bowl, and perhaps a coffee maker. To wipe that counter properly, you have to lift or move 7 different items. Often we don't. We wipe around them. Over time, the areas under these heavy appliances become graveyards for crumbs and sticky residue. In a minimalist kitchen, where the rule is clear surfaces, these items are stored in drawers or appliance garages. When it's time to clean, you simply wipe the surface from one end to the other in a single, sweeping motion. What used to be a 5-minute chore of rearranging and scrubbing becomes a 10-second act of maintenance. 2. The grease shadow and open storage. One of the harsh realities of cooking is that grease travels. Even with a high-quality range hood, microscopic particles of oil and food vapor become airborne during cooking. They eventually settle on every exposed surface in the room, creating a sticky film that attracts dust. This is the grease shadow. Cabinetry as a shield. Maximalist or farmhouse style kitchens often feature open shelving filled with stacks of bowls, mugs, and decorative vintage items. While this looks charming in a photo, in reality, every single item on those shelves is slowly collecting that sticky dust grease mixture. To maintain it, you have to wash items you haven't even used. Minimalist design favors concealed storage, floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, and deep drawers. By keeping your dinnerware, cookware, and appliances behind closed doors, you are physically shielding them from the environment. You only have to clean the cabinet fronts, which is infinitely easier than washing 12 individual wine glasses that have been sitting on an open shelf for a month. 3. Material efficiency. Fewer seams, less grime. Minimalism often dictates the materials used in a renovation, favoring sleek, continuous surfaces over intricate, textured ones. This stylistic preference has a massive hygienic payoff. The grout trap. Traditional kitchens often feature small backsplash tiles with hundreds of feet of grout lines. Grout is porous. It absorbs tomato sauce splashes, coffee spills, and oil. Scrubbing stained grout is one of the most tedious home maintenance tasks. Minimalist kitchens tend to use large format slabs like quartz, marble, or stainless steel for backsplashes and countertops. A solid slab has no crevices for bacteria or mold to hide in. A quick spray and a wipe is all it takes to sanitize the surface. Flat panel cabinetry. Consider the popular shaker-style cabinet door. It has a recessed center panel framed by a rail. That little ledge inside the frame is a magnet for dust and drips. Minimalist kitchens typically use slab or flat panel doors. With no decorative molding or ridges, gravity works in your favor. Dust doesn't settle on a vertical, flat surface, and drips wipe off without getting caught in corners. 4. The psychology of the reset. Maintenance is as much mental as it is physical. In a cluttered environment, a new mess blends in. A dirty spoon left on a counter full of gadgets is barely noticeable. This lowers the bar for tidiness, leading to a pileup of dishes and trash that feels overwhelming to tackle later. The broken window theory. In a pristine, minimalist kitchen, A single dirty spoon stands out like a sore thumb. Because the baseline of the room is perfect order, you are psychologically compelled to address messes immediately. This leads to the habit of the nightly reset. In a minimalist home, shutting down the kitchen takes minutes. Because everything has a designated place and there is less stuff overall, putting things away is rapid. You aren't shoving Tupperware into an overflowing cabinet, you are placing it in its slot. This easy routine ensures you wake up every morning to a clean slate, breaking the cycle of perpetual mess. 5. Longevity and asset protection. Finally, minimalism protects your investment. When you have fewer things, you tend to care for them better. Identifying issues early clutter masks problems. A slow leak under the sink might go unnoticed for weeks if the cabinet is crammed with old cleaning supplies and plastic bags. By the time you smell the mold, the cabinet floor is ruined. In a minimalist setup, where the undersink area is organized and sparse, you would spot that drip immediately. Quality over quantity minimalism encourages buying one high-quality item rather than 10 cheap ones. A single, high-end chef's knife is easier to maintain, sharpening one blade, than a block of 12 cheap, dull knives. High-quality tools generally last longer, perform better, and are designed to be cleaned more easily, e.g., seamless stainless steel versus plastic handles with cracks. Conclusion: a minimalist kitchen is not about deprivation. It is about liberation. It liberates you from the Sunday afternoons spent scrubbing grout with a toothbrush. It liberates you from the frustration of shifting heavy appliances just to wipe up a spill. By prioritizing clear surfaces, concealed storage, and seamless materials, you create a kitchen that works for you, not against you. The design actively repels dirt and simplifies the cleaning process, giving you back the most valuable resource of all, your time. In a world that is increasingly chaotic, a kitchen that essentially cleans itself is the ultimate luxury.